Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming eligibility. This saves time. First, verify age, residency, and minimum credit score, then choose the loan amount and term you can afford. Once done, collect ID, address proof, last 3 months of bank statements, and income documents, pay stubs or Form 1099. Make sure your phone number and email are current. Lenders use these to verify identity. Having these ready speeds approval and reduces back and forth with underwriters. Now you move into the application itself. Precision matters. Complete personal fields exactly as on your ID, enter SSN, DOB, and contact info. Then upload scan documents, make sure images are clear and all pages are included. Next, choose repayment method and review APRA and fees. Understand the monthly amount versus total cost. If asked, consent to a soft or hard credit pull, and opt for automatic debit only if you can guarantee funds to avoid late fees. Finish by carefully reviewing the loan terms and electronically signing the agreement. You must confirm the disbursement account and expected timeline. Once signed, monitor email and SMS for status updates. Lenders may call to verify or deposit a small amount to confirm your account. If the application fails, don't panic. Check your credit report for errors, ensure submitted data matches documents, correct mistakes, and consider waiting 30 days or adding a cosigner to improve approval.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.